106. Yeah. Boy. Okay, today's date is 12/19. We're expecting a major snowstorm. Got the mayor's parking her car where I asked her to put it. See, the cars are all lined up from here. And I'll get it from here till it's Christmas time. Yeah. Possibility of thunder with the snow overnight, but so far nothing yet. Yeah, just some have fun with warm tropical downpours. Yeah, plenty of that 5.5 months ago. Okay, don't. Just delivered our paper. Wondering what that's all about. The work that was done. Beautiful sunset too. The paper telling us all about the beautiful blizzard. Yeah, coffee's ready for my father. Yeah, beautiful sunset. Yeah. Wow, unbelievable. Wow. Sorry for the background noise. Got the TV set on so loud. I must say, a beautiful sunset. Someone's out there kayaking in this weather. Boy. The biggest snowstorm we've had since 123.80. Make that 2005, 123.80. My good friend Chris Hayes was born. My T-Storm buddy also has a YouTube screen name. No, 123/2005 is the day of the last big snowstorm. 12/22. Quite beautiful out. Beautiful deep blue skies and everything. Oh. I got to get that car started. Gorgeous sky. Beautiful. Yeah. Well, I got up at 4:30 this morning and videotaped. Right. I got up at 4:30 this morning to get the rest of this driveway cleaned off completely. Boy, it shows. Boy, looks like thunderclouds, huh? Well, I haven't had much thunder since November 20th. Yeah, I tell you, so much snow that, schools were closed yesterday, and I know the feeling. Kids love for tons of snow to fall so they can get their schools closed and stay home and watch their favorite Bugs Bunny cartoons and get out there and build a snowman. I know the feeling, especially around Christmas time. Yeah, it looks like I'm building an igloo here. It will definitely melt by the time we get hot, humid, stormy weather. Probably won't happen for quite a while. There's my sister's car, even though she's parked right in the middle here. It just sort of scrolls by when I wanted to turn myself around. Wow, look at the incredible pictures. That looks like a thundercloud, doesn't it? No lighting from it, though. Wow, gorgeous sky. It's not thunder, it's just wind knocking the door of the barn around. Wow, beautiful sky. Guess who made these snow mountains? Yours truly, T-Storm lover. Yeah. I know somebody who loves T-Storms, turns 50 on December 30th, same day Tracy Ullman turns 50. Yeah, she lives in, the one that I met on the internet, Susan, 11235-9. Yep. How about that? Beautiful escape here. All that snow we had. Well, sorry I haven't had much in the way of YouTube videos of lightning and thunder, but apparently I had a problem with this camcorder on June 26th. Yeah, this camcorder only accepts one tape, and that's the tape that's in it now. Knock that over. Okay. That's all the videoing right now. See if I can maybe even put this on YouTube if it's good enough. My daughter will win a million viewers, like Billy St. Pete's 72903 T-Storm lightning video. That one won over 200,000 views. Of course, I saw it first before anybody, other than him. You can see what I did here. Here's somebody's plowing in the background. And one more view here. Wow, gorgeous sky. Really incredible. Okay, that's all for now.